Hello everyone, welcome back to Tasha on Demand. This is my first unboxing, so bear with me. Maybe I'll get better over time. But I am like renewing my purse collection because I haven't really purchased any purses in about maybe 2 years, a year and a half, maybe two. And Coach has really been doing their big one. Like my daughter, I have a set of twins. They will be 28 next month, and my daughter is a Coach girly. So she been wearing a lot of cute satchels. Is that what they're called? So I decided to go over and purchase me some goodies. Their fall collection. Now she go more on regular Coach, but I do outlet because I'm more of the frugal one out of the two. She's one of those girls that if she like it, she'll sacrifice and buy it. So I love that about her. She like really nice things. She very seldom like to shop on the clearance rack. So here's the box, and I've already cut it open. Unfortunately, we don't have a Coach here close in our city, so I have to order all of mine or drive a long way. So here we go. We know how it comes. And I probably should have adjusted mine. Oh, the purse that I got is a Eliza. Let me take a look because I've ordered several. So I will do an unboxing on all of them. Eliza top handle bag. I've never really had a top handle. I'm more of a bucket person, and I really don't like big purses because I don't know what to put in them. I just recently bought this little makeup container from Amazon, and look, you guys, it has a little light to it. So that's what made me get it, because I'm here in my office and I didn't really have a mirror to do like little makeup and do my makeup for like touch up makeup. So it holds. I just got my mascara, a lot of lip gloss. I got a little lotion, hotel lotion I picked up in my travels, and a Sweetest Song perfume. So if I just want to, do a little quick little switch fast. So I got this, and I carry a coin purse, not a wallet. I don't know why. I usually only carry one credit card at a time. I switch out my credit cards. I only carry the one that I know I'm going to use, and then when I'm done using it, I just switch it out. I have a big wallet full of all of my debit and credit cards, so I don't carry all of my financial stuff in one purse at one time. I just don't think it's safe. And my driver's license. So I got like a Dunienberg coin purse, and if you guys want to see it, I'll be happy to show it to you. But the link for this little deal will be below, the Amazon link. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. And maybe I should have adjusted my camera down. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. And this is my actual work office. So if the phone ring, I apologize because I am at work. If you see me in this cardigan. Now, what I really liked about this bag is that it didn't come with the metal flap. I wouldn't have wanted that. So I'm kind of glad they went with just the leather material or whatever this is, right? So that's one thing I like when I seen online. And the hardware is silver. And this color is SB Maple. Okay. I'm trying to be neat. Goodness gracious. Okay. So, yeah. It comes with a strap, an adjustable strap, And I'm also going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate or bedazzle it. So you will get a chance to see how I'm going to carry it. I always like to put my straps on the bottom link because I just like for my crossbodies to fall at my hip and not close. So I always use the bottom one. Of course, the brown or maple Coach tag. Absolutely love this handle, and I'm gonna tell you why I was drawn to this bag because it kind of gives you the shape of a Kelly, Hermes Kelly, and I thought, okay, I like this. So I've never really got a purse that's square like this. My purses are always round and deep, so it's gonna be interesting to see how I carry it. And it's just more paper. More for like events. This, okay, let's pull that off. So this is what it looks like in the inside, and it comes with this insert. Now did get the metal here, just a magnet close. I like this purse. It's so soft and buttery feeling. So let's go ahead and just clamp this across. That's really, really long, but that's how I like it. Like I said, to fit like this. And stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to decorate it and come back and show you how it's gonna look. Okay, I figured why not just go ahead and decorate it on camera. So clip those, and let's go ahead and attach. Well, I want to take these off for a moment, and these are my decorations, or how I want to decorate. So I'm gonna measure to make sure that it is. Now I'm used to doing this on one handle. I mean 2 handles, not one, but I'm sure it's the same technique. So I'm measuring it here, and I'm gonna go like this. And it just depends on how far you want your flap. I kind of play with it, and then I'm going to just okay. So let's go and do the other side. Now, I know this is cute and for decorative purposes, but I'm going to tell you another reason why I want these covered. It's just to protect the handle. Right now I have some pink lavender oil, and that's what it smells so good. So the oil is going to change the color and texture. All our lotions, we're women, so we like to smell good. So all those lotions and different oils and perfumes and stuff is going to change your just kind of gauge how far I want it, and then I'm going to tuck it in. And that's how it's gonna look. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that is so cute. I want to change out my purses right now. Right now, I'm carrying a Dooney and Burke. I'm gonna go roll over here and get it. And this is how it's decorated. So I got a little horseshoe, and I got a Dooney and Burke, but I also have the handles with a little pink in it, because I don't want you guys to see my little messy purse. But here's the coin purse that I carry with it, just to fit the brown. I don't always buy the coin purses or the wallets to match the purse. It's just, as long as the color is good, I'm good. So yeah, I'm gonna roll back over here. So this is how it's looking. What type of charms am I going to put on this? What type of charms? Okay, so I have a little horseshoe charm I got from Amazon. I'm going to link it below. Let's kind of zoom in. Isn't that cute? And don't break my scissors. Oh, that was extremely hard to do. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. No, because I got my other thing over there. So let's put it here. And this is my charm. I do have some extenders just in case. So I guess if you are someone that really like a long purse, you can do extenders. And I got these from Amazon as well, and I will link them below. Isn't that adorable? It gives the equestrian look. And I know that horseshoes is like, you know, good luck. Simple good luck. Isn't that so cute? And I'm whispering, you guys, because I'm in an office building, a commercial property, and I really should be working right now. Because it's still business hours. It's like 2:44. And even if you, let's just say you don't want to use them, but you like the chain effect or whatever, some people attach them, like going across or whatever, or you can just let them hang and just do this. Okay, that might be too much. Okay, so here, and just let the other one just kind of sit there with the horseshoe, or you can let both of them just kind of hang here and here. So that's how I decorated my purse. I'm gonna leave the link to these two. I got 12 of them because I know some of my purses have 2 handles, and I wanted the scarf to match. So I made sure I got each color twice. But for this particular purse, I wanted to go with a light wrap because it's a dark purse. So if this was a lighter purse, you can go dark with the scarf. But yeah, this is what it looked like. And like I said, these little charms, you can add little charms on here. And it's a silver hardware. That is it, you guys. Everything that I bought from Amazon and I mentioned in this video will be below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great Monday.